Today we're going to learn about the geographical zones of the world, do a geographical zones activity, sing the song Thump, 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 Mr. Polar Bear, and do a polar bear activity. Hello everyone, my name is Anne Richmond. I'm the author of this book, Charisma and the Berry Boat. Today at Charisma Readers Time, it's Around the World Time. Song first.
Hello everyone, come and join the fun. It's all circle time, let's have a great time. Hello everyone, come and join the fun. It's all circle time, let's have a great time.
Past Around the World Circle Time, we learned there are 5 major circles of latitudes. From the top, repeat after me. The Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, the Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and the Antarctic Circle at the bottom here. These circles of latitude act as boundaries to divide the Earth into different zones, known as geographical zones. Let's see what these zones are based on. In the place where you are now, the sun might be shining bright or raining. In another place in the world, it might be snowing. These are different types of weather. The average pattern of weather for a particular area over many years is called climate. The 5 zones that we are going to look at now are based on climate conditions. Let's see what the 5 zones are called and where are they in the world. North Frigid Zone, North Temperate Zone, the Tropics or Torrid Zone, the South Temperate Zone, and the South Frigid Zone. The North Frigid Zone sits north of the Arctic Circle. North Frigid Zone. The South Frigid Zone sits in south of the Antarctic Circle. So at the bottom here, South Frigid Zone. The North and the South Frigid Zones have long winter and freezing temperature. Next, there are 2 temperate zones. The North Temperate Zone is in between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer. This area. The South Temperate Zone is in between Antarctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn. This area. These temperate zones have 4 distinct seasonal changes. They are spring, summer, fall, and winter. Fall is also called autumn in some countries. The next zone is the tropics or torrid zone. It is the closest to the equator. It is in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The most places in torrid zone or in the tropics have 2 seasonal changes, the wet season and the dry season. Let's look at these zones in a map. The 5 major circles of latitude: Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, the Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and Antarctic Circle. Now the frigid zones are in the top and the bottom here. The North Frigid Zone is north of the Arctic Circle, so this part. The South Frigid Zone is south of Antarctic Circle. and the two temperate zones here. The North Temperate Zone is in between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer. North Temperate Zone. South Temperate Zone is in between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. South Temperate Zone. The zone closest to equator is the tropics or the torrid zone. It's in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Tropics or the torrid zone. Polar bears live in North Frigid Zone. Let's sing the song Thump, 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 Mr. Polar Bear. Thump, 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 Mr. Polar Bear. Don't you feel cold in the Arctic air? Thump, 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 Mr. Polar Bear. It's freezing out there, but I bet you don't care. Thump, 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 Mr. Polar Bear. Don't you feel bored with no colors out there? Thump, 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 Mr. Polar Bear. Everything's white, but I bet you don't care. Thump, 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 Mr. Polar Bear. Don't you feel alone in the middle of nowhere? Thump, 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 Mr. Polar Bear. No one's out there, but I bet you don't care. Let's do a craft for the North Frigid Zone, a polar bear. I have a white sheet of paper here. I folded it into half. I'm going to put the bowl like that, a little bit sticking out here, and I'm going to trace this bowl like that. I'm going to draw the four legs now. Now I'm going to cut this out together so I get front and back. Now I have two of these. This one I'm going to outline it with marker because it has the feet. Now I'm going to draw the head, so I'm going to use this bowl for it. I'm going to trace this bowl. Draw two eyes. And a circle here. Nose. Mouth. Now I'm going to outline it with marker. Two ears. And I'm going to cut the face out. I'm going to put white glue. And I'm going to put this like that. And try and keep the line of the feet showing. I'm going to glue all over the front here. I'm going to put liquid glue on the face.
Now I'm going to take a white sheet of paper, crease it in the middle and cut it into half.
Put them like this and fold it together into half and bend them backwards like that, and this one as well. So I get two, like an M shape. Now I'm going to put glue on this side and put this over there. Same for this side. Now I'm going to take the bottom and put glue and put it there and cut the corners that are sticking out. That. And put glue again on the top. Put this on top. So it can open like that. Now I'm going to make an iceberg for the polar bear to stand on. Just random zigzags. And cut this out. Now I'm going to bend these like that, the leg, and at the back and bend them backwards. And I'm going to put glue. And right there. Here it can come out and stand like that. So it'll look like this. You can glue this part so it can stand like that if you are going to leave it as a craft. But because I'm going to put it on my craft book, I'm going to leave it like that so I can close the book and open it like that. Now I'm going to put glue at the back of the iceberg. And put it right there. So the polar bear can sit like that and also stand like that. There, our polar bear craft is done.
Next week, it's music time. We'll be learning about the time signature, play a song in the xylophone, sing the song when quarter note gets one beat, and do a butterfly craft. Until then,
Goodbye, everyone. I'm glad we had some fun. It's end of our circle time. See you next time. Bye, everyone.
new videos are posted every Monday on Charisma Reader's Circle Time. First Monday of the month is music time. Second Monday is theme time. Third Monday is music time again. And fourth is around the world time. Please subscribe to follow all of them in the right sequence. Kindly like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.